These are the front jacking points for Lexus UX. We are using hydraulic jack to lift the front of the vehicle, and the front jacking point is located on the frame of the vehicle, approximately in the middle, right here. We will block one of the rear wheels from both sides using wheel chocks. We will use the hydraulic jack to lift the front of the vehicle. We have to fold it for the handle and push it inside all the way. It's a piece of frame, and this is exactly where you can see our jack right now. We'll use jack stands on both sides, and this is the jacking point. It's right here, this piece of metal. The jack stand will go like this, and it will be lowered in the middle of the jack stand. Make sure that the height of the jack stand is the same on both sides. And now I will lift the vehicle. Now we can remove jack stands on both sides. And the last step is to remove the wheel chocks. And in the back, this will be the jacking point right here in the middle of the vehicle. We will block the front wheel with wheel chocks on both sides. We'll use the hydraulic jack to lift the back of the vehicle. Now we will put our jack stands right here, where you can see this metal bracket. This is the point for the jack stand. Make sure that the height of the jack stand is the same on both sides of the vehicle. The second one goes in here. And now we can lower the vehicle on the jack stands. Now I will lift the vehicle up. And we will remove the jack stands. And remove the wheel chocks.